Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Essential English. I'm John Wallen.
And I'm Lucy Collins. Today we'll help you learn how to receive friends at home.
Exactly. We'll join Sarah as she welcomes her friends to her house. You'll learn useful phrases, polite expressions, and everyday vocabulary.
And stay until the end, because we'll review everything together and practice the most important phrases.
Paul, can you help me set the table?
Of course. Where are the plates?
They're in the top cabinet. And don't forget the forks and napkins.
Got it. Do you want candles on the table too?
Yes, that would look so nice.
Oops, I almost fell.
Be careful. That rug always moves.
Useful phrases here. Can you help me set the table? Don't forget the napkins. Be careful.
Hi, Emma, Mike. Come in, come in.
Wow, Sarah, your house looks amazing.
Yeah, I love the colors on the walls.
Thank you. Please make yourselves at home. So glad you could come.
We wouldn't miss it.
Polite greetings. Make yourselves at home means relax and feel comfortable, just like in your own house. And glad you could come is a very friendly way to say you're happy someone arrived. You could also say, so nice to see you, or I'm happy you're here.
Everyone, this is Paul, my boyfriend.
Hi, it's great to finally meet all of you.
Nice to meet you, Paul. Sarah talks about you all the time.
Hopefully good things.
So you're a literature teacher, right?
Yes, I teach modern and classic literature. I love sharing stories with my students.
When you introduce someone, you can say, this is Paul, or let me introduce you to Paul. And the reply is usually nice to meet you or great to meet you. Very simple but polite. Listen to the intonation. Nice to meet you.
Paul, what's your favorite book?
I'd say Harry Potter. I've read it 5 times.
Wow, I saw the movies but never read the books.
The book is better, trust me.
I prefer thrillers. Do you read them too?
Sometimes, yes. Any recommendations? Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, I'll get a napkin.
Trust me is very common in conversations. It means believe me. And don't worry is a phrase you can use every day to comfort someone. Any recommendations is a polite way to ask for advice, like books, movies, or even restaurants. Repeat with us, don't worry. Trust me. Any recommendations?
Can I get you something to drink? We have soda, juice, and water.
I'll have juice, please.
Soda for me, thanks.
Do you have coffee?
Of course, I'll bring some right away.
What about snacks?
They're in the kitchen. Paul, can you bring them?
Sure, I'll grab the chips and sandwiches.
Can I get you something to drink is a polite way to offer drinks. To accept, you can say, I'll have juice, please, or water, please. And if you don't want anything, just say, no, thank you.
Oh no, the oven isn't working.
Do you want me to help prepare the snacks?
Oh no is a very natural reaction when something goes wrong. And do you want me to help is a kind way to offer help.
Let's take a picture.
Make sure everyone's in the frame.
Say cheese.
Wait, let me fix my hair first.
Say cheese makes people smile naturally. And make sure everyone's in the frame means everyone should be visible in the photo.
Who wants to play a board game?
I'm in.
Which one?
How about Monopoly?
I've never played it before. Can someone teach me?
I'm in is a short way to say I want to join. And can someone teach me is very useful when you don't know how to do something.
Sarah, I'm planning a trip to Italy next summer.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Have you ever been there before?
No, it'll be my first time.
I'm planning a trip to is great for future plans. And it'll be my first time is common when you're doing something new.
Paul, what kind of books do you usually read with your students?
I focus on American literature, especially Hemingway and Fitzgerald.
Do they like it?
Some of them love it, others, not so much.
I focus on it is useful when you talk about your work or studies. And not so much is a casual way to say not really.
Emma, could you check the oven, please?
Sure. Oh no. Sarah, the chicken is a little overcooked.
What? Oh no, I worked so hard on it.
Don't worry, Sarah. These things happen.
Yeah, it's okay. We can figure something out.
Overcooked means the food has been cooked for too long. And don't worry here is used to comfort Sarah. Very natural in English.
I have an idea. Why don't we order pizza?
Yes, everyone loves pizza.
That's perfect. Easy and delicious.
Are you sure? I feel bad about the chicken.
Sarah, it's fine. Tonight is about spending time together, not the food.
Why don't we is a polite way to suggest something. And everyone loves pizza is a fun, casual way to agree.
Italy Pizzeria. Can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order 3 large pizzas, please.
What flavors do you want?
1 pepperoni, 1 cheese, and 1 veggie, please.
What is the delivery address?
Great. My address is 25 Oak Street. How long does it take for pizzas to be delivered?
In 30 minutes, the pizzas will be there.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you for your preference.
How long will it take?
They said about 30 minutes.
I'd like to order was the most polite way to request food. And how long will it take is perfect when asking about delivery time.
Finally, the pizzas are here. Thank you. Keep the change.
Yay, pizza time!
This smells amazing.
Keep the change is a common phrase when you give extra money to the delivery person. And this smells amazing is a nice way to compliment food.
This was such a great idea.
Best dinner ever.
Nothing beats pizza with friends.
Thanks for saving dinner, guys.
And the night is just getting started.
Nothing beats is a fun expression that means nothing is better than this. And the night is just getting started means there's still more fun ahead.
Thank you so much for having us, Sarah. Everything was perfect.
Thank you for coming. I'm glad you liked it.
We should do this again soon.
Absolutely. Let's plan something next month.
Thanks for having us is a polite way to thank your host. And we should do this again soon is a friendly suggestion to meet again.
Let's review today's expressions. Repeat after us. Make yourselves at home. Can you help me set the table? Be careful. Nice to meet you. Can I get you something to drink? I'm in. I'm planning a trip to. Thanks for having us. We should do this again soon. Why don't we order pizza? How long will it take? Keep the change. This smells amazing. Nothing beats pizza with friends.
Wow, what an amazing learning experience. We learned so many useful expressions today while spending time with Sarah and her friends.
Exactly. Now it's your turn to practice. Use these phrases when you invite friends over or when you visit someone's home.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next episode.
Also, leave us a comment using one of the expressions we practiced today. We'd love to see how you use them.
Thanks for watching Speak Essential English. See you next time.